The NULLIF function returns null if the value in the first column equals the value in the second column. If the value in the first column does not equal the value in the second column, then the function returns the value in the first column. In this example, we will be reviewing the current and previous year's budgets. If the budgets have not changed, then they will return as null since they are the same value. If they are different, then the value in the first column will be returned. Let's begin by creating a beast mode called NULLIF. We will be using the current budget column as our first reference column since we want the newest budget to return if there is a change from last year. Now let's see how this looks in our data. It is always a best practice to check your aggregation settings on every column you bring into your card. In this case, we want to make sure that the NULLIF column is not aggregated. As you can see, the function has successfully nulled out any municipality that did not have a change in budget. Thank you for watching. Follow Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.